It's not copyright if you can't hear it. That is true. So let's, since my mom just hit me for trying to steal her credit card, why don't I just go tell other people that my account is older even though it was made today? I am a poor son of a... Oh, now since I'm a noob YouTuber, get it? Noob. Why don't I just make a new intro? Ooh, a guy who's a person. He's so awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So hey guys, I just did a video on this game. It's stupid. All it is just a ripoff of Minecraft. And they both have something in common. Something very noticeable. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching.